Have you ever wondered how the moon, our celestial companion, came into existence? Let's delve deep into the cosmos and explore the giant impact hypothesis, the leading theory that unveils the mystery of moon's formation. This hypothesis suggests that a body the size of Mars named Theia once orbited the Sun, following a path nearly identical to that of the early Earth. Theia maintained its course, hovering close to one of the two more stable Lagrangian points of the Sun-Earth system. These points act like cosmic parking spots, where the gravitational forces of two large bodies balance the centripetal force felt by a smaller object. However, this delicate balance was disrupted. The gravitational influence of either Jupiter, Venus, or perhaps both nudged Theia from its stable path. This disturbance set Theia on a cataclysmic journey, culminating in a monumental collision with Earth. This colossal collision, according to the giant impact hypothesis, led to the birth of our moon. Can you imagine the magnitude of a crash that could give birth to a celestial body like the moon? Picture this: Theia, a Mars-sized body hurtling towards Earth, not exceeding a speed of 4 kilometers per second. According to computer simulations, this colossal impact likely occurred at a 45-degree angle. Originally, the giant impact hypothesis suggested a glancing blow. The force of this theoretical impact would have been enough to eject numerous fragments from both Theia and the proto-Earth. These fragments, left to orbit our planet, eventually coalesced to form the moon as we know it today. However, this idea has been challenged. More recent evidence, published in 2016, points towards a much more dramatic event: a head-on collision. This intense clash not only resulted in the formation of our moon, but also left remnants of Theia on both Earth and the moon. The impact was so massive that it's believed to have created a second asteroid belt, albeit short-lived, between the orbits of Venus and Mars. So, was it a glancing blow or a head-on collision that birthed the moon? For years we had assumed that a sideswipe from Theia would have been responsible for the moon's creation. But in 2016, a new perspective emerged. Evidence was published suggesting that it was in fact a head-on collision. This cataclysmic event, so fierce and so direct, would have left traces of Theia not just on the moon, but also right here on Earth. The aftermath of this collision was not the creation of a short-lived second asteroid belt as once thought, but rather the formation of our very own moon. The remnants of Theia are believed to be scattered across both celestial bodies, a testament to the ferocity of the impact that occurred all those billions of years ago. In the end, the giant impact hypothesis gives us a remarkable narrative of celestial destruction and creation, offering the most compelling explanation for our moon's existence to date.